Samsung has been one of the leading smartphone manufacturers for years, and they continue to release new and innovative devices that impress even the most tech-savvy individuals. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G is the latest flagship model, which boasts an array of features and specifications that are designed to provide the ultimate user experience. In this article, we will delve into the details of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G, exploring its design, features, specifications, and what sets it apart from other smartphones. Design. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G is an elegant device that features a sleek and modern design. The phone has a glass front and back with an aluminum frame, which gives it a premium look and feel. The device measures 164.3 by 73.8 by 8.9 millimeters and weighs 229 grams, making it a large phone, but not too heavy to carry around. The phone is available in a variety of colors, including Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Brown. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G features a large 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, which has a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. The screen has a 120 Hz refresh rate and supports HDR10+ content, which means that the phone provides an immersive viewing experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is a tough and durable material that can withstand drops and scratches. Features. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G is packed with features that are designed to enhance the user experience. One of the most notable features of the phone is its camera system. The device features a quad-camera setup, which includes a 108MP primary sensor, a 10MP periscope telephoto lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens. The phone also features a 40MP front-facing camera, which is perfect for taking selfies. The camera system on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G is one of the most advanced on the market, and it provides users with a range of features that enable them to take stunning photos and videos. The device features 8K video recording, which is 4 times the resolution of 4K, and it also supports 4K video recording at 120 frames per second. The phone also features Samsung Space Zoom technology, which allows users to zoom in up to 100x without losing any image quality. In addition to its camera system, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G features a range of other features that make it stand out from other smartphones. The phone features an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is a fast and secure way to unlock the device. The phone also features wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, which means that users can charge other devices with their phone. The device also features 5G connectivity, which enables users to enjoy fast download and upload speeds. Specifications. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 processor, which is one of the most powerful processors on the market. The device comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage, which means that users can store a large amount of data and run multiple apps simultaneously without any lag. The phone runs on Android 13, which is the latest version of Google's mobile operating system, and it is expected to receive regular software updates for at least 3 years. The device features a 5000 mAh battery, which is large enough to provide all-day battery life. The phone also features fast charging technology, which means that users can charge their device quickly when they need to. The phone comes with IP68 certification, which means that it is dust and water.